Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. There are two types of aspirants, one who are proactive and the others who are reactive. I fall in the latter category. I wait for the absolute last minute to fill in any kind of an application form. Not because I'm lazy, but that's just how I've been conditioned. And whoever is like me, I would like to tell you that all this does is brings in a lot of panic and anxiety, not just in your mind, but in the mind of your entire household. So, then what is the smart way to do this? The smart way is to be proactive in nature. Now, first things first, the CLAT 2027 notification is not out yet, but it will be. And how do we know that? Well, that has been the trend, you see. The CLAT notification is usually at the end of the month of July or in the beginning of August. So, what is it that we CLAT 2027 aspirants can do sitting right now in this particular week before the notification is actually out? We can keep these 5 documents ready for this week so that it doesn't cause a lot of panic and anxiety right at the end of it all. The very first thing that you have to keep in mind is your passport size photograph, and second is your signature. They have also told you the kind of measurements that they want there, right? So the passport size photograph has to be front facing, light background, very simple background. It can't be a very fancy photograph that you've taken somewhere and you really like and you want it there. No. And the size is also defined. It has to be under 500 KB in JPG or JPEG format. Now, how do we do that? You know, a lot of CLAT aspirants over the years have started giving money to other people to actually fill in their application forms. There's absolutely no need to do that. You know, there are plenty of online websites that actually does this for you. They compress the size to the amount of size that you require, that your entrance examination requires. Please use them. It's absolutely free of cost. And if at all they ask you for some money, just move on to the next one. I'm sure you're that technologically savvy. Please do it. Create a folder called CLAT 2027 application documents and just put it there. As and when the notification comes out, all you have to do is pick out these documents and just attach them very simply. The second is your signature. Again, has to be on a white paper, very important. Using a black or a blue pen, no glitter pen, no fancy pen, and no fancy papers, right? And again, it has to be in JPG or JPEG format under 100 KB. Keep this very ready, because at the end of it all, I'll tell you over and over again, it just causes faltu ka anxiety and panic, not just in your minds, but you spread that across even in your entire household. The next document that you should keep in handy, which is your class 10th mark sheet, because it serves as your official proof of date of birth. It has to be a clean PDF scan, that's it. Nothing more than that. Well, there are two CLAT 2027 aspirants, two types. One who is a retaker. A retaker is somebody who's already given their 12th standard boards, right? They obviously have their mark sheet, so they need to keep their mark sheet ready. And the ones who are giving this examination for the first time and are in 12th standard right now, well, you don't have to worry. Even the CLAT consortium knows that आपने अभी तक अपनी 12वीं कक्षा के एग्जामिनेशन नहीं दिए हैं. सो एक तो हो गया आपका स्कूल का आईडी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बोर्ड्स का भी एडमिट कार्ड अभी कुछ आया नहीं है. सो स्कूल का आईडी इज व्हाट यू कैन कीप इन हैंडी, right? And in that particular folder that you will use as and when the notification will be out. The next is, of course, your government photo ID. You could have your Aadhaar card or your passport. PAN card so you don't have only, right? So these are certain government proofs that you can keep in handy in a PDF format, again in the same folder. And finally, the quota accelerator. So there are category certificates, there's domicile-based reservation, there is EWS, PWD, BPL. Keep those particular certificates handy, keep them in a PDF format, again in the same folder. This NCL basically refers to non-creamy layer, and please keep only and only authentic certificates. I'm saying that over and over again because not that it has happened to CLAT aspirants, but it tends to happen in many other entrance examinations, that the kids get very super excited and then they end up putting in fake certificates. फिर उसके बाद आपको सीट नहीं मिलेगी. So only authentic certificates, that's all that you require. These are the 5 documents that you keep in handy. As and when the CLAT 2027 notification is out, at least ये आपकी टेंशन खत्म हो जाएगी कि मुझे क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए. इसके अलावा, as and when the notification is out, we'll make a dedicated video with respect to the same. Thank you very much.